In this video, I'm going to introduce you to these fabulous lectures on linearized neural networks. These lectures were uh, given by Andrea Montanari, first at the Deep Learning Theory Summer School at Princeton from July 27th to August 4th, 2021, and then at the Summer School Statistical Physics and Machine Learning that took place at Lee Hochet School of Physics in France from 4th to 29th July 2022. Theodor was a teaching assistant to Andrea Montanari's lecture at the Deep Learning Theory Summer School, and he is also listed on this paper as you can see on your screen in the abstract. In these lectures, they have examined what can be learned about the behavior of multi-layer neural networks from the analysis of linear models. These lectures include a lot of great concepts like models and motivations. It also touches upon linear regression under feature concentration assumption, plus kernel ridge regression in high dimension, random features, neural tangent features, why stop being lazy, which is primarily about lazy training. And then there are a few other nuggets scattered all around this assortment of lectures. I will drop the link to it in video's description, and if you want to read through the lectures on the right hand side at top, click on PDF and it will open the PDF for you. I hope that you liked it, and really hats off to both of these for this fantastic work. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you.